This week, this past week was an amazing week for me. I actually took some trades immediately after this video. I'm going to show you guys the trade I took. Okay, I'll just show you guys one particular trade that I took, and it was a very nice trade. So I'll just show you guys on US30, obviously. So, but there was something I noticed, and it was a very good one for me because trading has a way of making you discover things for yourself. In fact, one of the ways to really know that you're beginning to make progress is your ability to discover what is working for you and what is not working for you. Because if you claim to be a forex trader and you don't know what is working for you and what is not working for you, then you will just still be caught up in the loop of trying so many things and expecting positive results, and you might not get it, and you might just end up being frustrated, and you'll be like, oh my, this thing is not working. So personally for me, last week was a good week, but I learned a lot. I took some losses and I had some wins also. The thing is, I realized that my trade module, my trade entry works a lot more better from the 1 hour time frame. That's what I just noticed. And I want to stick with entering my trades from the 1 hour time frame, and let's see how consistent we can get. Because I realized that most of the trades have been taken from the 15 minutes and from the 30 minutes time frame. Anything lower than the 1 hour time frame always hits my SL. That's what I just noticed. So this coming week, I would want to start working on my entry module strictly from the 1 hour time frame. Okay, so I just thought to put this on record for you guys to know the plan I have with regards the way I trade US30. Basically, I trade US30 on this channel. I don't trade any other pair. US30 is not a forex pair. US30 is an indice. Okay, for those that don't know. So I just trade only US30, and that's the only pair that I trade, and it has helped me a lot. If not for anything, it has helped me to cut down my exposure to wanting to overtrade. That's one thing with trading one pair. If you're trading one pair and you're trading higher time frame entries, especially from the 1 hour and above, you will notice something. It will help you with reducing your exposure to the market. If you're the time that is over trading, one way to cut off that bad habit of over trading is trading higher time frames and trading less pairs. That's just it. You don't see, and there's no magic to this thing. You cannot be trading, let's say, 10 pairs, 10 FX pairs. You're trading 15 minutes time frame entry models, and you want to cut out over trading. How is it going to work? It's not going to work, because all of those pairs you're trading will definitely give you setups. You have multiple setups and you'll be exposed to the market, and that is one thing you don't want to be caught up with. You get the point. So my take home for last week is stick to 1 hour entries. Just stick to 1 hour entries, and that's what we'll be doing from next week. Personally for me, last week was a good one. We did well. Okay, we had a loss and we had a win, but overall everything went well. I'm going to put the picture by the side of this video for you to see my trade history. Okay, for you to see. So I'm super excited, and I know the journey is still far way ahead of me, but we are definitely getting there. I actually took our time to watch most of my previous videos last week, and I came to realize that it's good to document your trades, guys. If there's anything you can do, document your trades. You cannot really tell where you're making mistakes. You cannot really tell or access yourself if you're not documenting your trades. I saw a whole lot of mistakes I've been making, and I had to adjust, and I saw improvements in what I'm currently doing, and I saw all of the mistakes I've been making. Although I know, one thing with FX is the more you trade, the more you refine, the more you get better. So, but for those of you watching these videos, you don't have a journal, you don't even take pictures of trades you're taking, you're not screenshotting, you're not journaling, I don't know how you guys do this thing, but you have to just look for a way to journal your trades. Look for something that you can fall back to and review yourself, review what you're doing. That's the only way you can get better. So, me doing these videos on this channel and uploading has really helped me a lot to become a better trader than I was 3-4 years ago. So like as I said earlier, last week was super excited for me. I was super excited with all of my trades. I made mistakes, but I corrected them. I'm still battling over trading, guys. I'm not gonna lie. I'm still battling over trading, and but I think I'm a lot better compared to how it used to be before. Yes, I'm a lot better. I'm just gonna be honest with you guys. You know, on this channel, I don't sugarcoat anything. I tell you guys the way it is. So next slide you guys will see is one of the trades I took last week and how everything went. So I just thought to share with you guys. I will definitely start doing this on a weekly basis. Okay, guys, I apologize for not really carrying you guys along, but I'm back now. So I'm going to start doing this as usual every Saturday, 12 p.m. West African time. I'm going to be updating this channel with all of my activities for the previous week and showing you guys how far we've gone. So the next slide you're going to be seeing is the trades I took for last week.
Okay, guys, so I'm actually selling US30 as you can see from the 1 hour time frame, and this is a 1:5.3 RR trade. Let's see how it plays out. So, guys, the reason I'm actually taking this sell is because let me show you guys something, because I'm seeing price reacting from this supply zone that you see right here, and I have what a break of structure. Okay, you can see it's a change of character right here, and of course this is a trend line that is broken, so this is like a change of character retest, and I expect price to drop to the downside. So let's see how this trade plays out. I will definitely update you guys like I normally do on this channel. If this is your first time of coming through to the channel and you're yet to subscribe, please do what to subscribe to my channel. I document all of my trades here on this channel. Okay, so this is our first trade for the week. Let's see how it plays out. I will definitely update you guys. If you go to the 4 hours time frame, let's just go to a higher time frame and let's see what the market is doing. Can you see obviously that we are breaking structure to the downside and the market is in a downtrend? Okay, so we are actually in the right side of the market. So let's just see how it plays out. Let's see how it plays out. The trade is active on my MT5. I'll surely update you guys and show you what this video from beginning to the end. Okay, guys, so this is the update of the trade. So after some hours monitoring the trade is currently in profit, as you can see right here. So it's actually doing well. Okay, the trade is actually doing well. Let me show you guys something right here. As you can see, obviously this point actually held as support and resistance. You see, it actually took price, it took this momentum from this bearish candle to break below this level, and as much as we are below this support turn resistance level, I'm quite sure that price should get at least to this level. So let's see how the trade plays out. I might not necessarily, guys, I might not necessarily hold this trade till it gets to my 1:5.42 RR. Okay, if I can get a good 1:3, then I can as well just close. So it depends on the kind of momentum candles I get, okay, from this particular movement that we are seeing to the downside. So let's see how it plays out. Another thing is, if I see opportunity to scale up, like to add positions, I will definitely do so. But for now, there are no opportunities presenting themselves to me. It's just the trade going in a predicted direction. Let's see how many RR we have currently. So trade has actually done a 1:2. It has done a 1:2, as you can see. This is a 1:2 RR TP it right here. So 1:3 will be somewhere around here. Okay, so this will be my 1:3 RR. Let me put an horizontal line to mark that level. So once you get there, I will know that we've done a 1:3 right there. So let me see. If I see a strong bearish candle break through this level, then I'll as well hold. Okay, that's what I'm going to do. But if I see that momentum is beginning to weak at this level, then I will just close with a 1:3, which is very, very okay for me. Okay, like as I said, realistically my target is a 1:3. But if I see strong projection, strong bearish candle breaking that level. If I see strong candle breaking this my 1:3 level, then I'll just hold it to my final TP, which is this area right here. So let's see how it plays out. The trade is really doing well. As you can see, the trade is doing marvelously well. Do well to keep watching this video. Let's see how this trade goes. I'll keep on updating you guys. Okay guys, this is the update of the trade that we took. I'm actually doing this recording around 1:31 a.m. West African time. Okay, so this is late into the night, so I just checked and I saw that the trade has actually done a 1:3. Okay, so like as I said guys, I've already closed this trade. Okay, I've already closed this trade. Let me show you guys something. As at when price was around this line, you see this area here, I entered for a second position with a loss size of 0.01. Okay, so immediately price got here, I closed immediately. So that's the reason why I'm not even holding down to my expected TP area, which of course is this line, which of course is this area right here. Okay, so I already told you guys, if I am able to catch realistically my 1:3, I'll be okay for this particular trade and I will just close off. So I just closed off this particular setup with a 1:3 RR. Okay, today is Thursday. What I'm gonna do is I'll still scan the market. If I see another better opportunity to get in for the sales, I will, but if I don't, we'll just let today pass by. So I just thought to show you guys how far the trade has gone and how to take what the market gave me. So a quick recap of the reason why I actually took the sell. So let me show you guys something. Let me just zoom out a little bit. So as you can see guys, this supply zone right here was the area I was waiting for a reversal to happen. So when price got here, all I was doing was waiting to see a change of character. I always want to see a change of character first. Okay, then a return to either other block or fair value gap before entering my trade. So we had our change of character right here. Okay, let me show you guys. So we had our change of character right here. Can you see? So immediately we had this change of character, and I mapped out this breaker here. So my entry was from this breaker, right? Let me show you guys well. Let me zoom in so you can see. So my entry guys was after we had the change of character. I plotted out this breaker block. So my entry was from the breaker block, and that was where I entered the trade. And as you can see, it has already given us a 1:3. Okay, so my sentiment for now, my bias for now is still bearish. I wouldn't want to look for any buy setups for now, just sell setup alone. So that's all for this trade. I just thought to update you guys. If you sort of like contents like this, please do want to watch my videos. Okay, I'll be documenting my trades here on this channel. So this will be all for now guys. See you guys in the next video.